Hello guys, it is Alpha here, and today I'm going to show you how to jump player in Unity using spacebar. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly go to player, and in my last video I talked about how to move player in Unity. So I'm going to edit that script in here. So like that, and edit it, and go, it's loading, and boom. Okay, so they are like a moving script, but today I'm going to show you how to jump player, because we haven't made that program yet. Okay, so firstly, just press enter and make new variable float jump speed, and this is float based. And I made jump speed. Okay, that's good. And then press another enter key like this, and just write bool and is ground. Write this and good. And bool is like showing true or false. So yeah, that's very good. So is ground means is player touching ground. So if this is true, it means player touching ground, and we are going to program that. So now we're just going to write input dot get key, and now key code, and then space. That's good. Then just do this, and now what we are going to do is transform, and actually I'm going to just make new variable RB dot rigid body RB rigid body and RB like this. Then write RB equals get component, then rigid body, and oh my god, no rigid body, and finally just write bracket. And that's cool. So now I'm going to just write RB dot add force, and then do this bracket transform dot upward, jump is upward, times jump speed. Then do this, and then write is ground equals false like this. So it's not touching ground anymore. Then now we're going to just make a new void, new program, which is just outside our void update. So yeah, so new category, it's called on collision stay. It means if something is touching something, and in this case we're just going to just delete this private here. And now we're just going to name the collision between player and ground. So I'm going to write touched ground, and write this if and bracket touched ground dot game object dot tag equals. And now we're just going to go back to Unity. So go back to Unity and go to ground and make a tag ground. So plus here ground. And now go to ground and just put the tag of ground to ground, okay? And now we go back to Visual Studio and then write ground in here, ground, yeah, oh my god, ground, yeah, that's good. And then write is ground equals true. And the reason we are going to do this, because if we don't have this bit, what happens is it's infinitely repeats jumping, and we don't want that. So yeah, so let's try with this, and we just have to write number. So yeah. Okay, so go to player and jump speed. Yeah, I think it is 100, something like that. And now it's good. I think it's Oh yeah, it's infinitely jumping. And so we are going to just go back to Visual Studio and find the problem. So, oh okay, we forget this. Don't forget this. Is just write if bracket is ground. Okay, that's good. That's okay. Then now we're just going to cut this bit and just delete this bit and paste this bit so it's work nicely. Now it's good. Okay, so let's try with this, and it's working. Okay, it's working. It's working. Yes, we just have to just adjust a little bit. Okay, so we are going to go here and write times 100, and we're just going to adjust a little bit for speed again. Times 0.1 f, yeah, like this, and times 0.1 f, and that's good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to write, so this is 3 and times 100, so it's about here. Yeah, now I think it is perfect. So it's working very nicely. Very cool jump. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video today. In my next video I'm going to talk about acceleration and friction in Unity, so see you next time.